Yo guys, what up? Me, Patrick Levar, back again here doing the Christmas review here on Christmas Eve here in Japan. Merry Christmas, everybody. So quickly, I'm actually on my computer today, which is a little bit easier than my phone. Plus, my phone is out of batteries right now. I've been playing a lot of video games. I've been playing Genshin Impact, if a lot of you don't know that, and super fun game. So I'm gonna be, after this, I'm probably gonna go back and play it some more while my phone is charging. So anyways, let's get into these photos. We got some good photos here, guys. Lots of people participated in this one. This is most appropriate too here. A little bit of lockdown isolation photo there. Yep, that's kind of where we're at today. And this one here, I really enjoyed all of these colors. These colors all kind of go together. Super fantastic. Nice one from Apex there. Really cool. Urban, I'm not going to try to pronounce the names. You guys can see them on the screen here. Nice one here. A little Christmas ornament bulb style here. It's fantastic. I love that. Really cool. Really cool. I didn't get to snap too many off. I think I only did 2. I was just super busy with work this week. Little nice one here. We're going to look like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Taken by the goddess. Very cool. Super happy there. Yeah, this was the first one I had submitted. I think I did this while I was at work. I was getting ready to walk out the door. I was like, you know what? Let's take a picture of this snowman. So again, I've been doing all my edits in Polar, the free version. I'm really happy with that app because I can use my LUTs inside of that app, which is really cool. And what else do we have here? Social distancing. Yep, of course, that's a big thing. It's the reason why I'm here making this video in Japan, not going home to America. Situation in America is not that great right now, so we weren't able to fly home. Took this one with my anamorphic lens, and I used the Moment, not the Moment app, what's the name of that app? From Filmic, the Filmic Pro app, but the photo version. And I've been having some issues. I cannot get it to focus really sharp. You can see here, it's like blurry on the edges, and I notice it's not, look at that, it's for some reason, that app, I haven't been able to get nice, crisp images out of it, so I think I'll just go back to using what I was using the Moment app when I was taking anamorphic photos. I would use the Moment app, but yeah, I don't know. I have to play with it and see about it. Somebody had asked here, what is an anamorphic lens, and she helped him out. And if you guys all don't know that anamorphic business, it's basically a style of lens which is compressed down, and we see more on the sides, and it's very famous because you get the lens flares and things like that. They're really cool, really fun. I love shooting with my anamorphic and taking photos with it. Another great photo here. I love this perspective. We're looking up at it, and then you got the buildings on the line here. Super fantastic. Really nice there. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, cookies and milk. My daughter will be putting some cookies and milk out for Santa tonight. So looks like those might look like ginger snaps or something right there. Yum, yum, yum. And I miss having some candy canes. They're not really big on candy canes here in Japan like that. The peppermint, that's not like a big flavor for them here. So I can't even find any candy canes around here. Luckily, I had a package from America. My friend sent me some candy canes, so it was cool. Nice little Christmas tree there. I love it. Got the pink going. Awesome, awesome. Like those are like two, but I've kind of seen some of these styles of Christmas trees here around Japan too. Very cool. Another nice one here. Looks like we had a little bit of length on the shutter. They had an open shutter there, so you get the streaks and of the cars passing by. Very cool, very cool. I wonder if that was on a tripod. Whenever you do those long exposures, you guys, you can make sure you have it on a tripod, but that's a great shot. I love it. It's got a little cyberpunk feel to it. I love it. I love it. And then, of course, these flowers here are just so famous for Christmas. Very much famous for Christmas. Another one, I was out with the wife. We just went and grabbed down the street, but not too far from here. I grabbed something to eat, and I saw this, and I wanted to snap it. I always see it when I'm riding my bike, and I just quickly jumped off the bike here and grabbed a cool little shot. This is the Ferris wheel. You can see this Ferris wheel for miles and miles and miles, guys. It is crazy. It was a super cold night that night. One of the coldest nights of the year so far. I love this little neon here. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you guys all also. It is coming down. We are counting down the hours. I think I was looking at the Santa tracker this morning for my daughter, and like, you know, he's gonna be starting his sleigh ride. Nice, very good little shot there too. Yummy. I can definitely use some of those. What do we got here? Quarantine Christmas 2020. Samsung Note Moment lens. I used the Moment lens on here. Very nice, very nice. Cool, cool. I like that. You got the warm colors and the cool colors on the bottom. And you got your mask, huh? Very good. Nice little icicle lights here. Some LEDs. I love this one here. Very cool. Very cool. What do we got here? On my way home from work, taking with the Moto 1 Action Lightroom Mobile. Let's get in there. Oh, nice. We got a little split, but I haven't done that in a while. My 3-in-1. Nice. We got the chandelier. Then you got the walk here. Fantastic. Telling a little story there. I like that. Oh, 3-in-1, man. I need to get back to that. Ever since I've been off of Instagram for a little bit, I haven't been doing my 3-in-1s. Definitely. I like to thank everybody, though, for posting, you guys. I'm so glad you guys are getting involved. This is super cool. There's my candy cane. I love this shot. Bing! Fantastic. Thank you for sending that. That is great. That is a great shot there. But I'm super... what is that here? Oh, that's just some Discord stuff. So, I'm super happy that we're able to get this stuff going here. We're going to take a break on the next one, guys. We'll come back next year and do something. Everybody just enjoy their Christmas, have some fun. And I think I want to start doing some mobile filmmaking challenges next. And, you know, maybe we're keeping them like 30 seconds to no longer than a minute. Minimum will be the max. And I'm haven't sure what the themes are. So, you guys, over the holiday break, start thinking of some themes for our mobile filmmaking challenges, and we'll throw those down and start making some more challenges. So I was a little bit late this year on jumping on the channel here. Again, I'm happy that all of you guys have been following and hanging tough here in the Discord server. I know I was a little bit neglected of it in the past, but now it's good to be in here and good to see everybody basically hanging out. I love it. It's great stuff here. Me playing my Genshin Impact game. Mobile filmmaking, what do we got there? Oh, yeah, definitely mobile filmmaker. Check this out. This is very cool little short here, guys. Definitely take it. He's been pushing it. Like, every one that he makes, he's getting so much more better. And this one has so many VFX in there that I was like, yes, I'm just lacking ideas. I need to suck some of those ideas out of his head and put them in my head so I can make a little short. I need to get on that. Mobile photography. Everybody's still been pumping out photos in here, which is real good. If you're not on theme, you guys can feel free to post them in the mobile photography here, and you know, post to your heart's content. You know, just make sure we're staying family oriented, PG-13, guys. Okay, so we don't want to have anything that's inappropriate or makes anybody feel offended. So let's keep it nice and clean. Although we haven't had any issues, but I just want to put that out there. Let's continue doing a great job here. Man, that's a great shot. I love that shot. So enough of my jibber jabber, guys. I'm gonna get ready. I got some other 3D work I need to get to do. And on another note, I've got another review coming up here shortly. iSteady sent out another gimbal, the Vlogger kit. One thing that I'm quite interested in about, the only reason why I took this this review was it comes with this little tiny microphone here that connects via Bluetooth to the gimbal, so I can wear this as a microphone, and it's going to pick up everything and send it to the phone. It's going to record while I'm using the gimbal, which I thought was really cool. And then I think that I can also start and stop the face tracker with this using their app. When it, like, if I have the gimbal sitting down on the floor, I can start the face tracker, which is always hard because if you want to film yourself and you want to use the face tracker, you always kind of need somebody to draw the box. Well, I think this might automatically look for your face, and then it will be able to do the face tracking. So I don't know. I'm gonna go do the next couple of days and put this gimbal through its paces and see how it does right here behind my house, because I'm not gonna really go anywhere, you know. But so we'll keep an eye out for that. We'll be doing that. The Hoham Vlogger kit gimbal. And yeah, enough of my jibber jabber, guys. Everybody have a safe Christmas and a happy New Year. And feel free, if you guys got some photos you want to share, some videos, jump in the Discord. Let's have fun. Tell your friends. And everybody have a safe Christmas. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Patrick Levar, I'll see you in the next year, in 2021. Alrighty, guys. Keep filming, keep shooting. I'll talk to you later. Peace.